Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change language on Google Maps. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to change language on Google Maps, firstly open your Google Map application. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings option. Scroll all the way down and click on Navigation Settings. Here you can see the sound and voice setting as well as Google Assistant setting as well. Click on the voice selection option to change the language in Google Maps. There are suggested languages as well as other options. You can simply choose one of the languages you prefer. This is how you can change language on Google Map application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.